Welcome to this tutorial on using the SMAAT platform to conduct smartphone-based research. In this video, we'll walk through creating a new study, designing a survey, and scheduling notifications for participants. Let's get started. First, I will log in with my researcher account. And we will create a new study. So I'm going to the studies, click on Create New Study button. We will name our new study Daily Mood and Activity Study and provide a brief description to help participants understand its purpose. Click Create a Study to create a study and enter the study builder. The study builder lets design the protocol visually. We will configure sensor data collection for GPS and accelerometer to track movement, but for now let's focus on setting up the survey and notifications. And we'll create a survey to collect mood data, so we're going to Surveys tab and click on Add Survey to open the survey editor. We will name this first survey a Daily Mood Check. It will have 3 questions, 1 multiple choice, 1 slider, and 1 open-ended question to capture participants' mood and context. So I'm going to select the first question, will be a multiple choice question. The question would be, how would you describe your current mood? And options will be very happy, neutral, sad, and very sad. The next question will be the slider type question about how stressed do you feel right now, ranging from 0, not stressed, to 100, extremely stressed. And finally, we will have the open-ended question, what activity were you doing just before this survey. We can click Preview to display how the survey will look for our participants. The survey is now part of our study protocol. Researchers can preview it to ensure it looks right on participants' devices, and this survey will collect data about mood and activities complementing the sensor data. And the sensor data we can select and go into the Sensors tab and activating accelerometer. And now let's set up notification schedule. I'm going to Notification. And here we will decide how we will prompt participants to complete the survey. We will set up time-based notifications to deliver this survey daily at 8 p.m. plus random sampling notifications twice a day to capture spontaneous responses. So we will add first the fixed time notifications and select the time to be at 8 p.m. The starting date and the ending date will be relative to enrollment, so we start on the first day and finish on the day 7. Another schedule we will add would be the random sampling schedule that will send 2 random notifications during the day between 9 and 6 p.m. 2 times with the minimum interval of 2 hours. And again, we will choose the first day to start and the 7th day to stop sending notifications. We will save our study, and that's it. You've learned how to create a study, design a survey, and schedule notifications on the SMAAT platform. This powerful tool makes it easy to conduct smartphone-based research with both sensor and survey data. Visit our documentation for more advanced features and start building your study today.